this is, yeah. Namaste everyone, this is Pooja Zadav, and today we are here to share the results or to announce the results of our yoga contest that was held by Just for Hearts, just to spread an awareness and to make you active during the lockdown, to enjoy this whole process, and of course to know about what exactly your yoga routine or your yoga charya is. So we had many entries. To be specific, we have almost for kids we have 20 videos which came, and for in the adult category above 18 also we had 20 videos. So yes, the videos were published. Everyone was fantastic during their yoga practice. It was not the judgment was basically not on how how finely you reach the do the asana or something like that. We just wanted to notice that how lovingly or how enthusiastically you practice your yoga, how dedicated you are towards your yoga practice. This was the major motive of this contest which we had planned. And surprisingly, I was seriously, personally, I really thought that kids were fantastic. So no, it was so difficult for us to when it came to finding results or taking out first and second prize below 18. We were so confused and there were so much confusion in us की द्यायचं the prize कोणाला द्यायचं, because everyone right from 3 years to 18 years we had whole entries and they were fantastic with more dedication in such small age. So I really hope they continue their yoga practice, which will help them to be a wise adult. And for adults, like we have many of them right now, so we would like to know how you felt this competition. How was your experience? Anyone can volunteer. So can you just share your thoughts on the contest, please? Yes, let's yeah, can we start with Julie?
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
I've been doing yoga since 3 years, not much of that. But as everyone said, again, this was mine also the first video which I had to record and do things. There were technical issues also in my video. My video was not really that very clear, which was expected. But then I didn't know editing and all was happening those days when I posted my video first. So after that, once you come to know experiences with others, you come to know how you move forward. So now waiting for the next competition to be held so that I can make a better use of it.
Don't worry, we will definitely keep you all with a lot of excitement with our different competitions which will be launching. And yes, of course, there were many videos which came raw to us also, which came and there were many videos which came with a fantastic editing. Like we were also stunned that, oh okay, people are so much interested and people are so much putting their inputs to take down to follow the contest very nicely. Also, we had requested our in-house members like Shweta, then Yogita to join the contest, and they also did join the contest. So please, can you share some views, Shweta, about the contest? How did you find it? Or Yogita, anyone?
Absolutely. Hello, everyone. So I am a team member of Just for Arts only. So when we launched the contest, I thought of like how we can only participate in this. Like it won't be a nice idea for others then. But our yoga contest team only pushed us and they told us when you will promote your videos, then only other participant will also do. So few members just jumped into an competition and it was really a fun, and we always arrange the contest, but this time I was on the other side and being a participant I really enjoyed this contest. And our yoga contest team also conducted it, and throughout the overall promotion days they conducted it really very well. They were constantly motivating us. So thanks to Pooja, Saili, Dr. Manisha and Divya.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you for your kind words. Yes, Yogita, can you just put a light? Is you're on mute, Yogita?
Yes, so good afternoon, everyone. And I know this contest was very interesting. Though I don't practice yoga, but I was so excited for this contest so that one of my neighbors, so she participated and she's done it so well. So I'm glad, and I'm also glad that we have so many participants on our platform, and they have been showing their interest in yoga and taking part in this contest. So it's very, very nice, all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Yogita. So we have our little contestant Anika with us. Hi, Anika.
Hello.
So how did you find the how was the video? How was the experience doing the video?
The experience was.
Be little louder.
The experience मतलब मुझे बहुत मजा आया करने में.
बहुत मजा आया.
And what feedback you got from all Ajji, Abba, from your friends, cousins?
Friends, yeah.
I got that you done very well. Wow, nice.
And what you have decided?
I have just decided that I will do exercise every day.
Oh, wow. Nice to know, Anika. So yes, this was the major purpose of putting this contest on. Just we wanted to, have some lot of enthusiasm and awareness of Yoga Day. So now I guess it's time for the winners to be announced. Saili? Okay, I guess Saili has some issue with her internet. So yes, we can go ahead with the results which we already have. Just okay. What do you think? What will be the results? And yes, I would like to also tell you the results were evaluated or the results were decided on the basis of first of all we saw the video, the the enthusiasm, of course, which I said, your enthusiasm, the correct postures. Of course, we don't want to encourage someone who is doing something wrong. I'm not saying something not reaching the posture. Of course not, that was not the motive. Just if some postures were taken wrong, then we didn't consider those. And of course your popularity between the common people was the main major of the criteria. Yes, so Saili, you can start. Saili will be there. Hi Saili. And Saili, you can just announce the video, the winners for below 18. Hello.
Hello. Hello everyone.
Yes, Saili, आवाज थोड़ा येत नहीं है.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. आता आवाज येतोय, पण we can't see you.
आता येतोय आवाज?
Yes, yes, yes. Perfect.
Maybe a net issue.
Yes.
Hello.
Oh, don't raise the excitement more and just announce it, Saili.
It is paused on my side.
Saili, we can hear you.
Yes, yes, we can hear you now.
Okay, so I will just go on. So it was really very good that little ones were participating in the yoga contest. सगळेच खूप छान होते. सो इट वॉज व्हेरी टफ आमच्यासाठी की आम्ही कोणते नक्की चूज करू. बट त्याच्यात सुद्धा आम्ही त्यांचे व्ह्यूज आहेत, कमेंट्स, लाईक्स आहेत, ते त्यांचे पॉस्चर पण बघितले गेले थोडेफार. सो ते आम्ही कन्क्लुजन घेतलं आहे की दे विल बी द विनर्स. सो am I audible?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes, Saili, go ahead.
So I will announce first. Okay, so firstly I will announce the second runner-up and then the first one. So the second runner-up is Sparshika Kamble. So she had views, comments and likes and she's chosen to the second runner-up. Congratulations, Parshika. Are you there?
Congratulations.
Your asanas were really very
Hi,
and it was so
Hi.
flexible. We saw your video. Your age is also so small, and you're so much flexible, and you're doing the asanas really very nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
once again. Hi, स्पर्शिका, कसं वाटतंय तुला?
चांगलं.
छान वाटतंय? छान मजा आली व्हिडिओ करायला?
हो.
योगिता ताईंनी करून घेतला व्हिडिओ छान तुझ्याकडून.
हा.
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट. असंच योगा प्रॅक्टिस
Okay.
करत राहा, सोडू नको मध्ये. And congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, Saili, you can just let us know the first, like the winner
First
from
win.
below 18 group.
Yes. Okay. Is the first from the lower 18 group is Rutuja Mai. So she has the most viewed comments and also the likes. So congratulations, Rutuja, for winning the contest.
Congratulations, Rutuja. Rutuja is having two lovely ladies besides her. Can you just introduce us?
Yes.
कोण आहेत शेजारी बसलेले?
ही माझी आई आहे आणि ही काकू.
ओके, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. कसं वाटतंय तुला?
Congratulations, Rutuja.
खूप मस्त वाटतंय.
तू प्रॅक्टिस किती वर्ष झाले योगा प्रॅक्टिस करते? थोडं सांग आम्हाला आता तुझ्याबद्दल.
मी 10वीत शिकते आणि मी 1 वर्ष झालं योगा करते.
ओ वाव, नाईस. सो आता योगा कंटिन्यू करणार?
हो.
करायलाच पाहिजे. ओके, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स.
थँक्यू.
Congratulations once again.
थँक्यू.
बाकीचे सगळे like the other kids, please don't get disheartened. This was just a small contest and we are really very much we were into a fix की कोणाला द्यायचं कोणाला नाही, because kids, when it comes to kids, it's very difficult to manage. Okay, so we move towards the above 18 group. I guess most of them are
Yes.
excited, so I won't make it more tense. So we go towards the second runner-up. We have 2 prizes in this category, and we have the second prize goes to, yes, very own our Shweta Kate, not because she is Just for Hearts member, but yes, she deserves it because her journey through this yoga has been a nice journey, which she explained a lot, very, very nicely.
Thank you so much, everyone. And really,
Congrats, Shweta.
thank you all of you. Actually, I just participated in the contest because of my team. They just pushed me up. They said, you are practicing yoga since last 1 year now, and you are not participating, so it should not be there. So I really enjoyed this, and I hope some or other person must have motivated from my video. So that was the main motto of this making of this video. Thank you so much.
Yes, congratulations, Shweta.
Thank you.
So the first prize goes to, so we already know that we have 2 Shilpas. Yes, the prize is to Shilpa, but which Shilpa? Any guesses, please? Let's make it some fun. Any guesses?
Arjun Wadkar.
Oh, okay. We have 1 vote for Arjun Wadkar. Anyone voting for Sawant?
Yes.
I will vote for
Manisha?
Sawant.
Oh, great. Yes, the
Yeah.
prize goes to Shilpa
Shilpa.
Sawant.
Great.
Because yes, congratulations, Shilpa.
Congrats, Shilpa Sawant.
Yes, we saw your video. It was nice. It was crisp. You explained your journey nicely, and you had. I was seriously amazed to see 1,000+ likes and views for your video. Plus, we had almost 150 or nearby 200 comments on your video. So congratulations, Shilpa. Congrats. Can you just share your view How do you feel?
Yes. It's actually mine as this was first time participating in such a
शिल्पा, यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल.
ऐकू येत नाहीये.
थोडंसं मोठ्यांदा बोलाल का?
I guess थोडासा रेंजचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल.
प्रॉब्लेम आहे.
Okay, but yes, other all participants, it was really nice interacting with you, and having your videos, having your views on all this. So your enthusiasm keeps us motivated to come up with all more and different challenges and contests for all of you. Maybe it might be lockdown or finding out time from your busy schedule. You did this. You really enjoyed it. We are really glad.
Okay, so that's amazing, Shilpa. We would really like to hear you, but तुमचा आवाज पोहोचत नाहीये, तर तुमचा फीडबॅक आम्हाला लिहून नक्की पाठवा किंवा ग्रुपमध्ये तुम्ही शेअर करू शकता. येस पूजा.
Yes, right. शिल्पा एकदा परत ट्राय करू शकता? तुम्ही एकदा म्यूट करून परत अनम्यूट केलं तर माइट बी यू विल बी एबल टू. हा. Oh, we can't hear you. No worries, you can just send us you can write the feedback and share it with us. No problem. Yes. So thank you everyone. Thank you all the participants who were there with us during this yoga contest. And the winners, please get in touch with me and Saili for your details so that we send you a surprise gift, which you deserve, of course. And yes, over to you, Divya.